this is the glove box in the Tesla, and I'm going to show you how to open the glove box. And to do that, you need to go onto the Tesla icon, the car icon over here. That's where you can access it. So you just press that, and then in the control section, you can see over here there's the option for glove box. So there you can just press it and it will open. But if you have a pin, then you have to put the pin in and then you can open it. So let me put it in. There, voila, it has opened. And in there you have an instruction manual depending on your car. And there's also the secret USB drive that is for the dash cam. And you believe it or not, this is from Tesla. As you can see, 128 gigabyte USB storage for the dash cam, and it is by Tesla. Pretty awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel. And also tell me in the comment box below which city I am in. See you guys next time. See ya.